the h sound. H, horse. H. H sounds h as in horse. He was riding on a big black horse. H in hill sounds h. We are going to the farm on the top of the hill. Look at this word, hot. The letter H in hot makes the h sound. How to make the sound. Open your mouth and push out a big puff of air to make the h sound, as in horse. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter H and make the h sound, as in horse. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Horn. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Hand. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Hat. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Hard. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Hold. Click on the letter that makes the h sound. Hut.